Hello friends. Have you ever been scammed? In a world where technology connects us more than ever, scams have evolved into a silent epidemic, lurking in the shadows of our digital lives. From phishing emails to fake investments, the tricks are getting more sophisticated. But how do these scams work? And what can we do to protect ourselves from falling prey? Let's dive into the dangerous world of scams and uncover how they operate and how we can fight back against them. In this video, I'm going to expose a scam which is happening worldwide and more often in recent days. In this scam, scammers will reach us through random call or social media. The scammers will portray themselves as the best investment advisors. They promise us that they will provide us the best investment and trading tips regularly. And the scammers will trigger us by telling, with these tips, you can earn minimum of 10% per day. Some scammers will go one step ahead by telling they provide the investment and trading tips for free to help everyone. To make us to fall in this scam so easily, they may even tell don't lose this golden opportunity and regret later for not joining or joining late. Because many people regret for joining late, once they start to see many people are earning in lakhs on daily basis by implementing our tips. And finally, the scammers will create the FOMO effect, that is fear of missing out effect, by telling this free scheme is available for only 2 days, which will make us to take the wrong decision soon within the short time. The primary target for these scammers are the persons who will tell okay to the scammers as it's free tips and the persons who are in confused stage. As the first step of scam, the scammers will join those people in a social media group. That social media group will be full of scammers and their team. Only few innocent people will be there that the scammers have selected to scam. Once you are joined in that scammer's social media group, the scammers will start their work by posting fake profit posts. The scammers will post fake profit posts continuously from different ID by acting like investor who have earned in lakhs with that investment tips. The innocent people who are seeing these fake posts from different ID will start to think it as an original post and will begin to trust the scammers as genius advisors. After seeing too many fake posts by praising the investment tips and the profit earned by those tips, every innocent people in that group wish to earn more money like them. So, majority of the innocent will fall as prey to the scammers. These innocent people don't want to lose this easy method of making the money, so they will contact the scammers and tell the scammers that they are ready to invest. This is the first achievement of the scammers, as they have earned our trust and make us to call them for investment tips. Before knowing what the scammers will do next to scam you successfully, this video is only for educational purpose and to spread awareness only. We are not encouraging or motivating anyone to perform this scam. Let's continue to the video. In the second step of scam, the scammers will introduce us a new app to do the investments. We can't find this app in Google Play Store and Apple App Store because this app is specially designed and created by scammers to perform the scam. In the past years, these fake investment apps are created for forex and cryptocurrencies. But in recent days, the scammers have started to create fake trading apps which look similar to the original stock market apps with slight changes in the name of the app. With these fake investment scam apps, the scammers can scam us by 2 ways. In the first method, scammers use these apps to hack your personal details like personal photos, contacts, etc. Once they have got personal or private details of us, they will start to blackmail us and will ask us to send them huge money. Whereas in the second method, the scammers will encourage us to add some money in that fake app to get good return. On trusting them blindly, we will invest. You may think the scam ends here, but the scam is not yet over because majority of the people will invest small amount at the beginning stage to know the worthiness of their tips. Until you invest more, the scammers will behave like a genuine advisors. Because the scammers want all your money, not the small portion which you have done for demo. After the first cash deposit into that fake investment app, the scammers will start to provide you some investment tips. By following those tips, the app will show that your money is growing well once you bought it. Because the scammers have designed that fake trading app to show enormous profit on the investment they have recommended us. as the app is showing us that our investment is growing continuously on daily basis. We will not get mind to take the money out from the fake app. In addition to that, we will get thought to add more money to the fake app. By the scammer's words, some people get greedier and take loan to invest in this fake app to earn more. Before continuing this video, if you want to learn about how rich use loan to become richer, so that you can use debt to become rich, there is a video in our channel regarding this. You can find that video in description and I button. Now back to the topic, all your investment will be shown on that fake app with the huge profits. The app may even show as all your investments have turned into millions. After certain stage, if you want to withdraw your money from the app for any critical or emergency situation, you can't withdraw your money. So, you have to contact the scammers to assist you on getting the money. The scammers will tell you as due to server problem, you can't take it now. Your money will be credited to your account within 2 days. As the scam is about to get caught, the scammers will ask other innocent people in that social media group to invest more within those 2 days. They will scam and cheat as much as possible within those 2 days and will leave the group. After 2 days, if you try to reach the scammers, they will not respond to your calls. That is the time you will realize that you are scammed by those scammers. To be safe from these types of scams, if anyone tell us that they will double your money shortly, just stay away from them. Never ever respond to those people and never install the unauthorized app suggested by them. If unfortunately, if you are scammed by anyone, try to reach out the cybercrime police as soon as possible. There is higher possibility to get back the money which you have lost in the scam. Not only your money, even other innocent people's money can also be recovered from the scammers if you react fast. The scammers may get caught if we react and complain instantly. Apart from that, we can save others from being scammed by the same group. Hope this video is really useful. Share this video to spread awareness to others. To see more useful videos like this, subscribe to our channel.